Hi there crew, and welcome to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Now on this channel you're going to find automotive based videos covering repairs on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, you name it, we get a chance to play around with it. And we use oscilloscopes and all sorts of other testing equipment, and we even do some fabrication work, lathe, MIG, all that kind of thing. And on the thumbnails of each video, in the top right hand corner, there's a little symbol to give you an idea of what the content of that video is, whether it's an engine repair, whether it's transmission, whether it's electrical based, fuel injection, whatever. There's lots of different types. One that I will point out, you'll see a symbol of a mountain with a motorcycle on it going up the side of a mountain. That's me doing some trail riding, and you don't have to watch that if you don't want to. That's just me out having a bit of fun and adding a different dimension to the channel. Now, on these automotive repair videos, quite often, recently especially, I enroll the help of a tool girl. And this is one of my model tool girls. This is tool girl Sam. And Sam, you've been in quite a few videos, haven't you, over probably the last year, I would say, isn't it now?
It's been a while.
It has been a while. You keep bouncing back, which is great.
Almost anniversary time.
Yeah, so what sort of stuff have you done in the videos?
Changed tyres. Didn't know what I was doing. Now I know roughly if I have to pull over on the side of the road.
Yeah. What else did you do? We've done all sorts of stuff.
Electrical stuff.
Yeah, with some relays and stuff, haven't we? We've done. Now I think you did a gearbox, didn't you? Did you do a gearbox? Pulled a gearbox
Pulled it apart and then put it back together.
Yeah, and we did some differential videos, taking the diff out of an axle and then resetting all the various adjustments on the diff, and we used some yellow paint to do the tooth contacts and stuff. So there really is heaps and heaps of videos. I think we're up to about almost 400 videos on the channel now, and the channel's been going about 2.5 years. And we're currently end of March 2018, so I'll try to do a new one of these videos every sort of 6 months or so. Okay, well, you'll find me on Facebook, Instagram, Google Plus, and Twitter as well, so you'll find more information and background stuff on Andy Mechanic through those portals. You'll also find a Patreon account as well if you fancy donating. But, well, just peruse the videos, have fun. Any questions, just find me a comment through and I'll do my best to help. Anything else to say, Sam?
That I'm just here to help.
Oh, you should do a lot more than just help, believe me. Alright guys, we'll see you later on. Enjoy the channel. Cheers. Over and out.